Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump on and give you a little behind the scenes, some stuff I'm working on for some vendor markets I have coming up where I'll be promoting my travel business. I have my table runner and some tropical summer themed banners that will be hanging up, as well as my pop up banner for the table. And I have some summertime vacation kind of themed things to give away. I have more items yet to sort through. I also have some summer vacation themed paper lanterns. And as you can see, the brochures I'm sorting through, they've taken over my dining room table, but I will be adhering some QR codes to each of these so that as I hand them out, people can easily access my information. But that's just some little behind the scenes stuff I'm working on in preparation for a couple different vendor markets coming up over this weekend. But as you can see, sometimes my travel business has to take over parts of my living quarters. Until next time, safe travels.